This is Terrence Moore.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Morgan Barroso on behalf of the people.
I'm here.
Okay. Mr. Moore,
Yes, sir.
do you have a
I'm sorry, what's that?
camera?
Let me see what I can. Yeah, turn it on. Sorry about that. How do I do this? All right, is it on?
Yeah, it's on. Back
How do
up from it. Put your face in it.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Let me just flip it over. Sorry, I'm not so tech savvy. Okay.
There you
How's
go. You got it. All right. You are before the court on the charge of operating a motor vehicle without security. You understand that, sir? Meaning you didn't have insurance.
Yes, sir.
All right. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to, I believe it's 90 days, or not more than 1 year, excuse me, not less than $200 fine, and not more than $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
No, sir.
So what are you going to do on this case?
I'll plead guilty, sir.
Why would you do that? Why would
well,
you give me 360? I have 365 reasons why you may not want to plead guilty to the charge.
I will plead. Oh, may I hear some of these reasons?
Sir, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
All right, guys, welcome to today's video. What looks like a simple traffic case instantly turns serious when the court lays out the charge: driving without insurance, a misdemeanor carrying up to a year in jail. The defendant casually says he wants to plead guilty, but the judge freezes a moment. Instead of accepting it, he challenges the decision, explaining the real consequences, and making it clear this isn't something to rush. In seconds, a routine hearing becomes a warning that could change everything.
Yes.
Thank you. This is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Courtroom on behalf of Terrence Moore. At this time, we would waive any further readings and stand mute to the charges.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. I'll adjourn the pretrial in this matter to May 17th, 2023, 9 a.m. I'll set the defendant's bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or weapons. There's to be no use of alcohol or any recreational marijuana or any illegal drugs. You understand all of that, sir? Mr. Moore?
I'm not following what's going on right now. I'm sorry.
At this point, the tone shifts. After hearing the possible penalties, the defendant reconsiders and asks for legal representation. A public defender steps in immediately, waiving further readings and standing mute. The court formally enters a not guilty plea on the defendant's behalf and schedules a new pretrial date. What started as a quick guilty plea is now a full legal process, showing how fast a single choice in court can redirect the entire case.
What are you not following?
So you're saying that I have another court date to appear to?
Yes, May 17th.
Okay.
Just listen. In the interim, I'd suggest you talk to your attorney. There may be a way that the case goes away other than you just pleading guilty and potentially spending 1 year in jail, which is why I was asking you that question.
Okay.
Now you understand me?
I understand that part. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
Terminology
All
is
right.
a little different.
I was here to stop you from doing something stupid.
The judge then explains why he stepped in so forcefully from the bench. He makes it clear his role isn't just to process paperwork, but to stop people from making irreversible mistakes. He directly references the risk of spending a year in jail over a decision made too quickly. It's a rare moment of blunt honesty, where authority and responsibility collide, and the weight of the system becomes unmistakably clear.
Thank
So
you.
that's my job sometimes. Now I'm setting bond. And I'm setting your bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance. You don't have to pay anything, but if you don't show up, you're going to owe me $5,000. We understand that? Yep,
Understood.
you got that one too, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're kind of getting clear on each other. Now, the other thing is, I'm ordering standard conditions, which means you can't leave the state. You can't commit any other criminal offenses or anything like that. Got that?
And this is before May, the court appearance in May.
Yeah, but it's going to continue until we resolve the case. You got that?
Okay.
There should be no assaultive behavior or any use of possession of any weapons, firearms, or ammunition. You understand that?
What if I'm legally able to possess firearms?
If you legally can possess firearms, talk to your attorney, but I don't want you really possessing it. But I understand that you can legally possess.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'm also ordering no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You understand that?
Is there medicinal reasons? Does that matter? Because I do have a license.
You got a whole lot of, all right. I said, listen, I said alcohol. You got that one?
Yes, sir. No alcohol.
All right. No alcohol, no illegal drugs. You got that?
No illegal drugs. Yes, sir.
Okay, we're getting it here. All right. The other thing is no recreational marijuana.
Recreational.
You
no
got that?
recreational. Yes, sir. No
All right. So when you have the card, what kind of marijuana is that?
That is medicinal, my sir.
There you go. See, we learned something today.
Sorry, I'm a little, you just one step at a time with me, sir. I just want to understand.
I know. I don't even understand what's going on sometimes. I got it. But we got through it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You come back on the 17th. Now listen. You got something to write with?
As the hearing continues, the judge carefully lays out strict bond conditions. No alcohol, no illegal drugs, and no recreational marijuana. Confusion follows as the defendant struggles to understand the limits, repeatedly asking questions. The judge patiently but firmly clarifies each rule, drawing a clear line between what is allowed and what isn't. The exchange highlights how easily misunderstandings can create new problems before a case is even resolved. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.